Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 11 PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, on your iPhone, go ahead and download VLC. So go ahead and open up your App Store and just find VLC or VLC Media Player, and then just tap on Get. Okay. Now, once it's installed, go ahead and open up your Windows computer, and then you are going to download Apple devices. Okay, to find it, just go ahead over to your Microsoft Store and just find Apple devices. Okay, now just wait for it. I just go ahead and click on Apple devices and click on Get or Install as well. Okay, once everything is installed, go ahead and get the iPhone cable connected to one end of your computer via USB. So once everything is connected, open up Apple devices and it will pop up. Your phone will pop up. Just click on Trust from this computer and Trust from your phone to fully connect it. Okay, once connected, just go ahead over to Files right here and you will be able to see VLC. Okay, so why VLC? As we all know, we don't have the easy transfer process. Okay, if we have an Apple device. So what you'll do basically is go ahead and find the photo, let's say from the Photos app. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and transfer this picture of a cat. Okay, so to go ahead and transfer, just tap and hold on the photo. Now go ahead and tap on Share. Okay, and then in here, go ahead and scroll down and find Save to Files. Now tap on VLC right here. Okay, tap on Save at the very top. And once done, go ahead and check it out right here under your file section. All right, tap on VLC and you should now be able to see it. Now, to go ahead and move it to your computer, just go ahead and open up the Apple devices. Click on VLC. If you can't find it, just sync it. Okay, click on Sync. Wait a bit, or if you can't still see the specific file, what you'll do is just go ahead and close this one. Close the Apple Devices app, find it again, click on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead over to Files, click on VLC, wait a bit, and you should now be able to see it right here. Okay, so to save it, just click on it and make sure that it's highlighted. If you want to select multiple, just hold Control key on your keyboard and click on the other photo. Click on Save, save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Just like so. Wait a bit. Okay. And here we have it. That's how simple it is to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 11 PC. And by the way, you could go ahead and transfer from your Windows computer to your Apple device. Just go ahead and use this option instead of Save. Add file. Okay. And there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.